Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Seth, and today we are unboxing 380RS wheels. These are from Japan. We imported them. We only got two. The other ones are in Tennessee. They shipped them in 2 boxes. The weight was like 94 pounds total. We got them with no tires, and we are going to be putting on some track tires that look like these. Those are Federal 595s. Let's unbox them. So we got a lot of plans with these wheels. Like I said, they're 380RS wheels. They only made 300 sets originally. I don't know how many are still out there. They come in this light silver color. It matches our 350Z color, which is why we were kind of looking after them. And these are made by Rays. It's stamped on them. So we bought these wheels because our Brembos didn't clear our Ratzingers. So we had to go with something with a more aggressive offset. These are made to clear the Brembos, obviously. It's nice. It is 2 days later, and we got the other two. We got this set, this side over here. It's the same specs. We got the 19s in the back and the 18s up front. They finally came in, so the next step would be to get tires. This will be the end of this video. It was just an unboxing video of the 380RS wheels. The next video, like I said, we're gonna get tires and mount them on the car. So that's gonna be a really cool video, see how it looks, and then down the line, put the Brembos on. That's next. So this car is really coming together. We also have the NISMO back bumper that we're going to be putting on. That's going to be happening really soon too. We're filming a couple other videos. Like, as you can see, we got the garage epoxy done and the cars are inside. So more videos are coming. See you guys in the next one.